So in this session we are going to learn single pass compiler and multiple pass compiler. Single pass compiler is the compiler that reads and processes the source code line by line, and it reads the source code only once. As it reads, it performs syntax checking, semantic analysis and code generation simultaneously. There is no going back to previous line or rechecking. The advantages of single pass compiler is it is fast. It do the compilation very fast. It requires less memory and resources. It is good for simple and small programs. But the disadvantages of single pass compiler is it has limited error checking and poor optimization. It cannot handle forward declaration like function declaration in C. It cannot perform advanced syntax and semantic checks. Now, in multiple pass compiler, the compiler scans the source code multiple times, each time for a specific purpose. It has 4 passes, that is first pass, second pass, third pass and fourth pass. The first pass is lexical plus syntax analysis. In second pass, it is semantic analysis plus intermediate code generator. In third pass, it is code optimization, and in fourth pass, it is final code generation. The advantages of multiple pass compiler is it allows advanced error checking. It enables code optimization. It can handle complex languages and features, example forward declaration and recursion. The disadvantages of multiple pass compiler is it is slower. It do the compilation very slow, as it has compilation speed slower. It requires more memory and processing time. It is more complex implementation. The single pass compiler processes each line of code once, making it fast but with limited features. It has to generate machine code immediately, which restricts optimization. Multiple pass compiler processes code in multiple pass or phases like lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, optimization and code generation. This allows better error handling and optimization, but takes more times and resources. A single pass compiler scans the source code only once from start to end. It performs all the phases of compilation, lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, optimization and code generation in one go. Since it processes the source code only once, it is faster and uses less memory. However, it is limited ability for code optimization and error checking. It is suitable for simple programming languages where forward declaration or complex syntax are common. Example are early compilers of Pascal, small or embedded system compilers. We will see difference between single pass compiler and multiple pass compiler. As we know the definition of single pass compiler that scans the source code only once, but multiple pass compiler scans the source code multiple times. Speed of single pass compiler is fast as it processes in one go, but the speed of multiple pass compiler is slower due to multiple passes. The memory uses of single pass compiler is less and the multiple pass compiler is more. The code optimization is limited or no optimization is done in single pass compiler, but in multiple pass compiler it is better optimization possible. The error detection in single pass compiler may detect few errors, but in multiple pass compiler it detects error more accurate and detailed error checking. The complexity of single pass compiler is early version of Pascal C, that is simple version, but the example languages in multiple pass compiler are modern C, C++, Java compilers. The complexity of single pass compiler is similar to design, but in multiple pass compiler it is more complex to design. The use case of single pass compiler is it is used in small or simple language compilers, but the use case of multiple pass compiler it is used in advanced or feature rich language compilers. Thank you.